Hello my dear students, I am Bimla Kumawat, your English teacher. Today we are going to revise chapter 4, The Trumpet of the Swans. Are you ready? Let's start. Word meanings of this chapter. This is the chapter 4, The Trumpet of the Swans, written by Alvin Brooke White. Now, first, startled, surprised, चौंका दिया. 2. Swamps, low area on the ground where water collects. दलदलो, uneasily, in an uncomfortable manner. बेचैन, gasped, look steadily, घूरना, jutted out, extended out of a surface, उभार लेना. Intruder, a person who has come in where he does not belong and should not go to. प्रवेश करने वाला, बिना अधिकार के प्रवेश करने वाला. Swan cob, a male swan. नर हंस. Knock him cold, hit him very hard to make him faint. उसे बेहोश करने के लिए जोर से मारा. 9. Bothering, disturbing, परेशान. Spellbound, filled with wonder by the beauty of something. मंत्रमुग्ध. Proud, moved very quietly in search of prey. तलाशी करना. Cygnets, young swans. युवा हंस. Shallow, not deep. उथला. Thrust, push suddenly and forcefully. जोर. Waddled, walk with short steps while swaying from side to side. छोटे कदमों से चलना. Preening, cleaning her feathers with her beak. चोंच से पर संवारना. 17. A clump of bushes, a group of bushes growing close together. झाड़ियों का एक समूह. Look out, be careful, सावधान रहे. Spied, observed in secret, जासूसी. Grave, great and serious, गंभीर. Hurtling, moving at high speed, सनसनाते. Rang with, was filled with sounds of, से सात बजाई. Thrilled, very excited and happy, रोमांचित. Arching, carving, लकड़ी की खोदाई. Cautiously, very carefully, सावधानी से. Never moved a muscle, sat or remained still, कभी पेशी नहीं की. Enormous, विशाल. Rare, दुर्लभ. Intently, लक्ष्य से. Whispered, फुसफुसाया. Furious, उग्र, अति क्रुद्ध. Through, द्वारा. Stone, पत्थर. Loud, जोर से. Paddle, पानी में पैर मारा. Lonely, अकेला. Sight, दृश्य. Pond, तालाब. Sighing, चैन की सांस लेना. Middle, बीच में. Settle, बसा हुआ. Strange, अजीब. Carefully, सावधानी पूर्वक. Twisted, मुड़ा हुआ. Until, जब तक. Log, लकड़ी का गट्ठा. Poked, छेद बनाना. Lost, खोया. Until, जब तक. Quietly, शांति से. Receive, प्राप्त करना. Anyway, चाहे जैसे. Company, संगत. Observing, निरीक्षण करना. Protect, रक्षा करना. Throw, फेंकना. Enemies, दुश्मनों. Woods, जंगल. Barking, भौंकना. Past, गुजर गए, आगे बढ़ाया. Disturbed, व्याकुल. Finally, आखिरकार. Tired, थका हुआ. Really, वास्तव में. Uncomfortable, असुविधाजनक. Hungry, भूखा. Thirsty, प्यासा. Safely, सुरक्षित रूप से. Hide, छिपाना. Several, कई. Glided, सरकना. Tender, कोमल. Feathers, पंख. Idea, विचार, उपाय. Movement, पर. Behind, पीछे. Noticed, ध्यान दिया. Movement, गति. We have completed word meanings. Now we will do exercise. Choose the correct answer and complete the sentence. First, the cow was furious because he A. Did not want to be watched by a human deep inside a jungle. B. Knew that the fox was trying to attack them. Correct answer it is A. Did not want to watch by a human deep inside a jungle. Now 2. The swan asked the cob to fight with the boy because A. She was afraid that the boy would hurt the cob. B. The boy was sitting quietly and had not attacked them. The correct answer it is the boy was sitting quietly and had not attacked them. Okay, B. Now the boy was sitting quietly on the log because he now A. Wanted to observe the birds and their behavior carefully. B. Was filled with wonder at the sight of these rare birds and did not want to disturb or frighten them. The correct answer it is B. Was filled with wonder at the sight of these rare birds and did not want to disturb or fight them. 4. The swan did not want to leave her nest because she A. Was afraid the enemies would attack her nest and steal her eggs. B. Wanted to be careful and pay all her attention to the eggs to hatch little cygnets out of them. Answer, beta both of them are correct. Okay. Now 5. The cob swan over the place where swan was sitting in order to A. Show that she was grateful for Sam's help. B. Scare him away before he tried to attack them. Correct answer A. Show that he was grateful for Sam's help. Now exercise B we will do in notebook. Now please pay attention. Read these lines from the text and answer the question. First, she was finally surprised her. Question A. What did she see? Why was she surprised? She saw a boy sitting on a log. She was surprised seeing him in the heart of the forest. B. What did she do immediately after this? Answer. She told the cob about the boy sitting on the log. Now 2. The swan decided she could safely leave the eggs for a few minutes. Question A. Related to this line. Okay. Why did the swan think so? Was she right? Answer. The swan thought that she would safely leave the eggs for a few minutes as the cob was sailing in the pond, keeping a watch on it. Now, next. Question B. What did she do after leaving the eggs? Answer. She entered the water and took several quick sips and pulled up tender green from their bottom and stood on a grassy bank preening her feathers. Now, question 3. You are in grave danger. Question A. Who said this to whom? What was the danger? The cob said to the swan. The fox saw creeping towards the swan. The fox was creeping toward the swan. Question B. How did the speaker act? What do we get to know about the speaker from this? Answer. The speaker started trumpeting when he saw the fox. We got to know about the speaker that he was always alert and dutiful. 4. They realized that the boy was their friend after all. A. What had they thought of the boy previously? Answer. They had thought previously that the boy was their enemy and had come to harm them. Now B. What made them change their opinion? Answer. When the boy saved them from the fox, this made them change their opinion that he was their friend after all. Okay, we have completed question answers or revision of this chapter 4. Please learn all these question answers and word meanings. Okay, for half yearly exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.